Woke up, couple meal on my plate. Let's eat. I'm investing in real estate. I just went and gave my mama 100. Carly won't hear me open my mouth, let you hear me talking about finding some money.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here today with another cut, crease, and also a very easy blending tutorial for you guys. So make sure you guys go ahead and keep watching. Alright you guys, so I'm priming with my P. Louise base. This one is in the number 0.5. And I started using the brush like this because I'm trying to do like a little pat motion that she be doing, but I'm just like, I don't really see a difference, but I guess it does kind of look fuller coverage when you do it like this. Okay, so I'm using the colored Raine palette that looks like this, and I'm taking the blue up here at the top on the M139 brush. It's a fluffier brush, you guys. I started to like the technique. Y'all know how I usually pat my colors on and then go back and blend. I really like this technique. It takes up way less time than the way I was doing it. So yeah, I'm just gonna tap into my blue and go straight into it. Y'all see how pigmented this is already? And I'm taking the purple. I'm going to take a mixture of Vibes and Perp Smurf, which are these two. And for this one, I'm using the M333. Y'all see how effortlessly that blends? And I'm going to go to my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. I'm going to take the orange. I'm going to be using the orange and yellow out of this palette. But first I'm taking the orange, using the E27. Did y'all see that? Y'all saw how quick and easy that just blended? And then for the yellow, I just showed you guys, but I'm using a E22 brush. All of these brushes are from Morphe, by the way. Okay, and my last color is coming. Hold on, let me find it. My last color is coming from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm using my favorite color ever out of this palette. If you guys can't tell what it is, it's this neon green right here. I might buy this palette again just so I can have some more of this color, but I'm applying it with another large fluffy brush. It's a number 25 from BH Cosmetics. I do believe that this brush set was discontinued. I haven't seen it in a while, so yeah. And even that showed up good. Because I'm going to cut my crease really quick with the exact same P. Louise base. And I always use the M213 brush from Morphe to cut my crease. I'm sorry, I'm a hand. I'll walk away. For my lid color, I'm gonna go into the Wahala palette, and I'm taking this shade right here. It's purple. Yeah, you can see it. It's purple. It's called Envy, and see, I'm packing it all over my lid. And you don't really have to worry about blending a little harsh line from the concealer. Only if you don't plan to put glitter like I did, then you want to blend it. But I'm not going to blend it because, I mean, it's a waste of eyeshadow because it's not going to show anyway. And I'm almost sure this is like a topper shade, but it shows up so good. The glitter I'm using today is from Glow Glitters. This is in the shade Party. I'm scared, so I don't want to pour it out, but this is in the shade Party. It's just a multicolored, like confetti type glitter. So yeah, I'm gonna be applying this like right here. For my waterline, I'm gonna add some black eyeliner, and this one is from LA Girl. It's the Shockwave. And then I'm gonna take blue, purple, and orange, the same ones from earlier. I'm gonna smoke those out using the same brushes underneath. I'm gonna add some mascara to my bottom lashes, and I'm gonna add my little single lash that I always add. Well, I haven't added it in a minute, but yeah. And why is my hair doing it? And if I highlighted today, in case you guys were wondering, I'm using cinnamon water from Shot with Shiny. I'm going to put a little bit of this underneath my brow. Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this look, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. And make sure you are subscribed. And I will see you guys in my next one.